Hey friend, hope you are doing well this morning. Gonna get straight on into it. If you are watching this video on YouTube, thank you so much. I appreciate you for supporting this channel. You can just click the little box that has subscribe and also the bell so you're notified when new videos come on. If you're watching this on Facebook, hey friend, I am also on YouTube, so you are more than welcome to hop over there and subscribe as well, because again, you'll be able to see all the awesome videos that come out. So into the crazy things we do for our kids. So I would love to see in the comments some of the craziest things that you've done for your kids, meaning going above and beyond for them. And it's wild, right? Because many times when we do things for our kids, we're thinking, oh my goodness, they're going to be so appreciative of this, and they're going to see how valuable this is and how I'm just doing all this for them. When in many times, depending on their age, they have no clue, right? It could be things like having them to take a particular set of sports lessons, or getting them that tutor to help them in their classes, or that amazing blowout party so that they can feel loved and appreciated. All these things are different ways. But here's the thing, when you're doing those actions, whether it's setting them up for a wonderful excursion or wonderful experience, or giving them something extra, we're doing it because we love them. We're doing it because we desire for them to feel that love from us. And we're doing it because we have a purpose behind it. We see a bigger picture, and we know that it's important for them to have that experience now so that they can reap the benefits later. So if it's, for example, that birthday party, it's about celebrating them now so that when the time comes and you're not able to celebrate with them, they remember how you loved them. If it's taking them to those sports lessons or traveling with them if they're in a competitive sport, it's because the long-term vision is you see them being able to possibly play in the Olympics, or to get a scholarship, or to be really amazing and to have that confidence in that area of their life. If it's choosing to drive, for a school, or to put in that extra time at a job so that they're able to go to a private school or to have those extra lessons, it's because you know that their future is worth it, and you're willing to do the work now to help them to benefit from that later. So 2 questions then I pose to you for you to think about today. When you are doing those things for your children, when you're showing up in those ways, know that the same way that you love your kids, that's how your creator feels about you. That he's willing to do whatever it takes to ensure that you have the best. And if you are willing to receive it, he is willing to give it. Okay? Number 1. And number 2 is, how are you choosing with the way you're moving in your own life to move with purpose? How is it that you're choosing to look at the long-term game for your own self and to be willing to invest in that? Are you seeing that you have a dream to travel, and so now you're choosing to put in the work so that you can develop the funds to do that? Is it that you see yourself creating positive impact in your community, so you're choosing to put in the work to learn a new skill, or to develop a business, or to mentor others because you have that long-term vision? Whatever it is that you have to do, whatever it is that seems crazy to others, if it is done with purpose and it's done with vision, then it is so worth it, and I applaud you. And if you're going, I have no earthly idea what that feels like, I had that at some point, moving with a direction and with a heading for my life because it was very laid out, especially within a career or with being in school, whatever the case is. Now this is an opportunity for you to pick up that skill again, to pick up that mode of thinking again. I truly believe that it's something that does not have to somehow die off once you become a mother, and whether you're at home full-time with them or you're working part-time, there is still a plan and a goal for you. So choose to ask yourself those 2 questions. Choose to think about the ways that you show up for your kids and show up for your family, and I invite you to do the same for yourself today. All right, Have a great one, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.